Okay, so I have bought a new microphone, a condenser microphone, HyperX QuadCast S. And I will use this here in the studio for recording my videos. It will replace my Shure microphone, hopefully. But let's see what's in the box first, and then after that doing some kind of setup with this microphone in my studio. And I will use it on my microphone arm in the studio. So I will not use this built-in stand that comes with a microphone. So let's start by opening the box. Like so. On top we have some documentation, instructions on how to mount the different parts. That's nice. And here we have the microphone itself. That's what's in the box. Okay. Let's see how to open this. Very plastic packaging. But here we have the microphone. Really nice. It says Kingston here, so I didn't know that. It seems that it's Kingston that makes this microphone. HyperX. What's more in the box? A 3-meter USB-C cable to USB-A. That's nice. 3-meter. And here we have a very important thing for me, because I will mount this hopefully on my microphone arm. I'm not sure if it will fit though, but we will see later on. I guess that's it, what's in the box. Let's see the microphone itself here. As you can see here, we have a Microsoft, can you see that in the camera? Microsoft Type-C connector and a headphone jack for hearing yourself when talking. And here we have different modes, stereo, 360 degrees, and condenser mode, and a mode that makes it possible to interview someone, listening, the mic listening from both sides of the microphone. And down here we have a gain control. That's nice. And the stand itself, you can adjust with this screw. You can have it like this if you want, or like this. You should definitely not have the microphone like this. You should have it in this way. So, please note that you should have it like this. So now I will do a setup for this microphone in my Mac Mini M1 to see how good it works. I think it should be an app also for this microphone that you can do some settings, hopefully. Okay, sadly though, there was no software for Mac for this microphone, HyperX. That was a bit a drawback, only available for Windows. But on Macs you have always plug and play, so everything works as usual. The only thing I can't do is set up the different colors on the microphone. As you can see here, if you have the Windows software, you can do that, set up different colors and how fast they should change and so on. But I can't do that, unfortunately, on a Mac. That's a huge drawback to me, but anyway, I can show you in this video that the microphone works by using Audacity software, where I record the audio for all my videos. At the moment I record with the sound directly from the iPhone, but usually I have it connected to the Mac and recording sound directly into Audacity. So let's start our recording in Audacity, like so. And now I will talk into the microphone. This is a test with the HyperX microphone, and I have full gain on at the moment because I'm a bit far from the microphone. But as you can see here, it takes up the audio from very far from the microphone. That's nice. And the sound is hopefully perfect when I talking directly into the microphone. But as you can see, I have set it up on the stand that comes with a microphone, and I should actually have it on my microphone arm here, but unfortunately I can't find all the screws I need for that at the moment, so that will be for another day. At the moment I will use it from the stand directly when talking. So that was a first look and first impression of this HyperX microphone. Okay, bye.